Hi friends, hopefully you are fine and healthy. Today I will unveiling hidden wealth of 1992 to 1993 Elizabeth II 50 pence coin worth millions. Introduction. Hello, coin enthusiasts! Today, we're on a thrilling expedition into the world of numismatics to uncover the story behind the 1992 to 1993 Elizabeth II 50 pence coin, a coin that might just be in your pocket and worth millions. Join me as we explore its fascinating history and dive into its hidden value. The 1992 to 1993 Elizabeth II 50 pence coin is more than just currency. It's a rare and sought-after collector's gem. Despite its unassuming appearance, this coin has the potential to be a true fortune. Stick around as we delve into the details that make this coin so intriguing. Historical context. Before we get to its value, let's take a brief journey through time. The 1992 to 1993 Elizabeth II 50 pence coin features the regal effigy of Queen Elizabeth II and is part of a series that adds a touch of royalty to the world of coin collecting. Unique features. What makes this coin stand out? Keep an eye out for any minting errors, variations, or unique characteristics. Some coins may exhibit doubling or other anomalies, significantly increasing their desirability. Look for coins in excellent condition with minimal wear. Current market value. Now let's talk numbers. Surprisingly, the 1992 to 1993 Elizabeth II 50 pence coin, especially in pristine condition, can fetch a premium in the collector's market. Some have even been known to sell for thousands or, in rare cases, millions of dollars. Factors influencing value. Several factors play a role in determining the value of this coin. The condition, rarity, and any unique features all contribute to its market worth. Coins with exceptional preservation and eye-catching toning tend to command higher prices. Expert insights. To gain more insights, we've consulted with coin experts who've shared valuable tips for collectors. Certification is crucial, and keeping an eye on auction results for similar coins can provide a glimpse into the current market value. Conclusion. In conclusion, the 1992 to 1993 Elizabeth II 50 pence coin is not just loose change, it's a potential treasure waiting to be discovered. Check your coin collections, attend coin shows, and who knows, you might just find a coin worth millions. Thank you for joining us on this numismatic adventure. If you found this video intriguing, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more captivating stories from the world of coin collecting. Until next time, happy collecting!